a single bullet in a small Balkan city triggered a war that would change the world forever. But was the bullet really the case or just the excuse? This is the story of how the world stumbled into chaos. This is the beginning of World War I. In the early 20th century, Europe was a ticking time bomb. Great empires ruled the continent. The British, the French, the Austro-Hungarians, the Russians, and the rising power of Germany. Alliances had split the continent into two rival camps. The Triple Entente, France, Russia, and Britain. And the Triple Alliance, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy. Nationalism, militarism, and imperial rivalry created tension everywhere. Countries were arming themselves like never before. And one region in particular was ready to explode: the Balkans. The Ottoman Empire was collapsing, and small nations were fighting for power. Serbia dreamed of creating a South Slavic empire, and Austria-Hungary saw that as a threat. On June 28, 1940, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, visited Sarajevo in Bosnia. A young Serbian nationalist, Gavrilo Princip, part of a secret group called the Black Hand, was waiting. As the Archduke's car took a wrong turn, Princip saw his chance. He stepped forward and fired two shots. Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie were dead. Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia. But instead of a quick punishment, what followed was a deadly chain reaction. Austria-Hungary, with Germany's backing, issued an ultimatum to Serbia. Serbia agreed to most of the demands, but not all. Serbia declared war. Russia, allied with Serbia, began to mobilize. Germany saw that as a threat and declared war on Russia. France joining, bound by alliance. Germany invaded Belgium to attack France and brought Britain into the war. In just a few weeks, the world was at war. All because no one knew how to stop what had started. This was only the beginning. In the next episode, we'll dive into the horrors of the trenches and the broader reality of life on the front lines. If you want to understand the war that shaped the 20th century, subscribe and join me on this journey through story.